this is how you're going to change language in hosting your website builder. So this tutorial that I'm actually going to show you allows you to add several languages so that your audience can view your page in several other languages, not just in one. So this is how you can also change it according to how your audience knows the language. So for this one, we're going to start with opening the website builder editor. We're just going to head over to builder.hostinger.com and then go to this left side panel. From here, we're going to just click on more, and then we're going to click on multi-language. Now first, we're going to select a starting language. So for this one, I'm just going to click on English. Now if you want to have other, or if you want to change your starting language, you can just do so by clicking on other language that you want. So for example, we want our starting language to be Espanol. So we're going to click on add language, and then from there we're going to drag this over to the first one so that our language will be changed to Espanol. Now from here, we're going to click on make default, and then once your audience goes to your page, this is the language that you're going to see first. But they can also just change it to English if they prefer, but if you want this to be the starting or the default language of your site, you can just do that. But again, if you want to switch it back to English, you can just click on make default and then just drag it over to the first one so that it would be easier for you to navigate. And that's it. That is how you can change language in hosting your website builder. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.